seems to be quite a bit of controversy and talks about the build quality of the latest Redmi Note 10 series, especially surrounding its structural integrity. So let's put to rest all your doubts by testing out the Redmi Note 10, the first 6 plus 128GB version, and see what the fuss is all about. Just a reminder that apart from the failed Note 7, the Redmi Note 8 and 9 had improved with strong build quality and had failed for entirely different reasons. All Poco devices have also done great, never failing in any of our bench tests. Next, moving on to fun stuff with value. So let's perform the bench test and get some solid video proof about the structural strength and build quality of the supposedly controversial Redmi Note 10. As mentioned earlier, recent Mi devices have done pretty well in build quality, and as we start the bench test from the back side, the Redmi Note 10 manages to lock out after a certain point, but a massively high degree of flex or bend feels extremely uncomfortable, making me feel nervous about its immediate future. Something seems to have cracked or broken somewhere from the second display side bend due to its apparently super weak structure. But surprisingly, the Super AMOLED display is still alive and kicking, and the touchscreen is working as normal, as though nothing tragic has happened. The plastic frame seems to be giving up on us as we hopefully continue towards the third bend from the backside. After all the positive signs we saw from recent Mi devices passing the build quality test with flying colors, this is the least of what we had expected from a latest Redmi series device. Redmi have given us an AMOLED display for the first time with some awesome features, though we have nothing else to say about its build quality other than make a good comeback with the Redmi 11 series, of course with the Super AMOLED.